nice deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh.
Nice release there. So we'll just come right in here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So lay your head right into my forearm. Very good. So just relax the shoulder here. Okay, I'm just going to come up. Just relax for me. Deep breath in. All the way out. Drop that shoulder down. Just relax the head. Relax, relax. Very good. All right, so we're going to come in and do an adjustment right to the ear, okay? So just relax for me.
Oh my gosh.
This muscle there for me. Relax here. And deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. Good. Same thing here. Just relax the foot.
Oh.
And nice deep breath in. Okay. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Just going to contact where I need to. Hand right into my arm there. Just relax for me. Now just come forward with me. Come forward. Come forward. Just relax. Deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Nice deep breath in. Good. Okay, so I'm going to come in here. Just relax that shoulder. Just relax, 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 relax. Same thing here, just relax this muscle there. I'm just going to scoop you towards me just a bit. There you go. Nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Deep breath in, all the way out. Hold back. Okay, nice deep breath in, all the way out.